Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss page number 15. So the first question, we have first 8 questions and you must choose the best answer. Very easy and I like it. So 2 millions plus 20,000 plus 200 plus 2. Okay, we must calculate it together and choose what's the best answer. I will say it's not correct to write choose the best answer, but you must choose the correct answer, not the best. Okay, so 2,020,202. It's correct A. So slowly we will go to question number 2. And we have 8 and 19, 10,000. Okay, so what's the correct? 8 and 19? No, it's not correct. 8 and 19 tenths? No. 8 and 19 thousandths? No. 8 and 19 ten thousandths? Correct. Really correct? D. So we will write correct this number D. Letter D. The question number 3. Which fraction is equivalent to 0.9? As is 9 over 10. So we don't need to discuss this. It's like this. After, we will go to question number 4, which is a little bit more complicated, and we must know how to write number billion. 1 billion, and you must be sure that 1 billion is 1 and 9 0. It means if you must, which is not equivalent to 1 billion, if you have some question like this, you must write carefully. So I will just prepare something. If you have something like 100, after you will write 0 from 10 and 0 from millions. It means, look carefully with me, how I make it. It means 100, I will write 100. After I have 10, I will put together 0. And millions, I will put together 6 zeros. And after, I will calculate it together how many 0 I have. It means for 1 billion, I need 9 0. Thus, it was the second possibility is 1,000 millions. It means I will write 1,000 and 6 zeros. And if I will have C, 1 million thousands, it will be 1 million plus 1,000, 330. Okay, it must be not equivalent to 1 billion. Until now, it's all equivalent. So it means the last possibility, it must be not equivalent. And let's check it together. So we have 10,000, 10,000. It means 10,000 plus, after it will go, 1 0 and 3 0. It means we have here not so 9 0 is not. It means 10,000 after 1 0 and 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means we have only 8 0. It means it's not 1 billion. Okay, so the last possibility, it's not correct, not equivalent to 1 billion. So I hope it was clear for you. And I hope you can solve it if it will be on exam or test or something like this. Only you must be careful that 1 billion is 90. Okay? Super. So the D is not correct, not equivalent. Okay. I hope it was clear. And little bit, we will solve that A is 90 is correct. B, 1 million, 1 billion is correct. C is correct. You have everywhere 90. But the last is not correct, not equivalent. Why? Because there are only 8,000, 80. Then question number 5. Okay, slowly. I must find it. And the question is, which symbol makes this true? It means we have two numbers and we must take all possibilities and check it. It's 1,064,615 and 1,041,578. You can see that from the first point of view. Oh, my technique is a little bit slowly, but the correct answer is C. After we will go to question number 6 and 7, and we must use the table which is there. And this table, it say some languages in the US and numbers of speakers. So the language French, Arabic, Chinese, China, and Spanish. As we can see, the question number 6 is which language is spoken by the greatest number of people? And we see the Spanish is 17 million. It means the correct answer, it will be Spanish. Okay, I hope it was clear. You must look all the languages and the number and after compare, okay? Not so heavy. Greatest number of people, and the correct answer is D, Spanish. Okay, let's look the next question. And the next question, it say to us, which shows the, okay, slowly, I cannot read this. Which shows the language listed in order by the number of speakers from least to greatest. And from least to greatest, we know that the greatest is Spanish. It must be at the end. And the smallest, the least is 1.2 million. This is Chinese. It means the correct answer it will be C, because Chinese, China, French, Arabic, and Spanish. Okay, if I pronounce China, Chinese, I hope I say it's correct. So if not, sorry. Okay, and the last, what is the value of the 9 in 3.596? The value of the 9 is 0.09. Correct answer is B, and is a 900th. Okay. 9/100 is correct answer. So I hope it was clear for you, and I hope you can calculate with me all these questions. So answer this question. So I hope you like, and we will see you next time. And you have here write what you know, and please make it alone. It's not so heavy. So I hope it was useful for you, and we will see. I will make more videos for you so you can understand it more. So it will be more clearly for you. So see you next time, and bye everyone.